Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to the channel. My name is Todd, so it's time to get cooking again, and today we're making New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. So let's get our ingredients together. For our New Orleans barbecue shrimp, we're going to need the following: olive oil, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, lemons, chicken broth, fresh ground black pepper, Creole seasoning, large shrimp peel on and deveined, and salted butter. So let's prep up. Okay, so we've got some olive oil that's been heated up over a medium-high heat, and to this we are going to add in our fresh minced garlic. And we're going to let this cook for about a minute or two to release its flavors, and then we're going to continue building up on our recipe. Alright, so this has been going about 2 minutes, so to this we are going to add in our chicken stock, our Worcestershire sauce, our lemon juice, our black pepper, and our Cajun seasoning. So we're going to give this a quick stir. And we're going to let this continue to cook till it starts to thicken up a bit. Alright, so this has been going a couple of 3 minutes and it's starting to thicken up a bit. So to this we are going to add in our shrimp. And we're going to let these cook for about a minute per side, and also we're going to be tossing them to make sure that they get covered in the sauce. And of course we're probably going to make a mess just like we always do whenever we're doing stuff like this, but you know, that's all part of cooking. So I'm going to let this go, and we should be back in a little bit. Alright, so this has been going a couple of minutes. So now we're going to start slowly adding in our butter. And what we want to do is, once this butter melts and gets incorporated, we'll then add another batch of butter. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then once we've got the last of the butter in, we'll be right back. So our first batch of butter has melted, so now we're going to add in some more. And then once this is fully melted, then we'll add in the last little bit of butter. Alright, so now we need to add in our last batch of butter. Get that mixed in here. And then once this is all melted, then we are going to turn off the heat and cover and let this sit for 5 minutes. Alright, so our last batch of butter has been melted. So now we are going to turn off the heat, cover, and we're going to remove this from heat and let this sit for 5 minutes. Alright, so this has been sitting for 5 minutes, and so we're going to get us some of this shrimp. want to make sure and get some of the sauce also. All right, set that there. All right, so we're going to serve this up with a couple of pieces of French bread to soak up that beautiful sauce. And then we are going to top this with just a little bit of lemon juice to give it just a bit of a tang. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.